Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We just had an open house. I've been signing a bunch of documents, even took notes for this video. We only talked to 2 realtors, probably should have interviewed a few more, but once you pick one that you like, you sign a listing agreement. When I was doing research on the Google AI, I was looking at time, price, and commission. The time frame is 3 months. I think that's industry standard. The price are comps that both realtors showed us and they both match. So the one house that sold down the street, we are gonna list ours for a little bit more because I think this house is better because we have air conditioning, automatic garage door. Last thing is both realtors were okay taking a 2% commission, but we're going with the one that's gonna front a little money to fix the floor in the master, do a little landscaping, drywall patches. So she's gonna end up taking 2.5 commission, so 0.5% more, just because I don't have any cash flow right now. So when I got the divorce, we were both paying the mortgage on this house. But now since I'm paying the mortgage by myself, I'm a little cash locked. So we're gonna go with the one that's gonna front some money and help me out a little bit. The last thing is the addendum. So it took about a month to fix everything. So we shifted the time frame. It was originally June to September, but now it's gonna be July to October. After the open house, we did get a purchase agreement, very exciting times. Their price is a little bit lower, but exactly the same as the neighbor that sold down the street. But they did include a 14-day contingency. So I think in a competitive market, you could change the 17 to 14 days just to make your offer look a little bit better for the seller. We did send back a counter offer. So a little bit higher than what they're asking, but lower than what we listed, but it will be as is, no termite inspection. I'm also gonna include some of the furniture they're interested in. So I think they really like the teal IKEA cabinet with the butcher block. Last is addendum to clarify that their realtor is only gonna take 2%, so total should be 4.5. Spoiler alert, we are in escrow. I'm gonna start filming that video after I'm done making this one to show what that process is like. I'm trying not to get my hopes up, trying to keep my expectations as grounded and level as possible, because when I bought this house, there's a lot of steps between start escrow and end escrow. The loan stuff has to get done, home inspection, but I am pleasantly surprised with how smooth and quickly everything is moving. Excited to see where all this goes. Video 380 done.